In this video, I want to talk about how you can sell in Webull. Now you can use the app or you can use the web version, either one is fine. Just make sure that you actually have an account, since you can only create the account in USA, Australia, and I believe you can in Canada as well. But you want to make sure that you've done that, and then you can head over to the web trader or inside of your phone, select the stock that you want to do it. I'll just go into a paper trading account. And once you've selected a stock, you will be able to buy or sell the stock. So if you want to sell it, select sell, and you can choose the order type that you want. Once you've done that, you want to select how much you want to sell and at what price. So you can see this is the price that it's at right now. So if I want, I can put it at 211 if I want to sell it when it hits here. So you just want to do that, and that is how it's done, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.